You need to watch this if your love life needs a jump start. I will never look at intimacy the same way after learning this. Number 1, communicate. Talk openly about your desires and boundaries. No mind reading needed here. Next, build emotional intimacy. Share your feelings, dreams, and even fears. A connected heart makes for a connected body. Make time for sex. Schedule it if you have to. Spontaneity is great, but so is planning a steamy rendezvous. Create a little distance from your partner. Absence makes the heart and other parts grow fonder. Recall your sexual memories. Reminisce about those amazing moments. It'll spark desire and nostalgia. Do something new. Whether it's a new position or a new location, variety is the spice of life and love. Lastly, take turns initiating. It's not just one person's job to get things started. Share the fun and the responsibility. There you have it. 7 tips to boost your relationship and keep that fire burning bright. Now go ahead and make some magic, you lovebirds.